Mower Mike here in the Texas HQ. Today we're going to talk about grass chutes, specifically on a John Deere lawnmower. I'm going to show you the easiest way to replace it with a full assembly like I've got here, and then I'm going to show you part by part how to take one apart in case you just want to place pieces of it. So with that, let's get started. Now, if we want to replace the whole assembly, it's a very simple operation. All you have is two 9/16 bolts right here, which we can zip off with my very trusty air wrench. You just pop it off. And here I'm gonna put the new one on. This is a really amazing assembly I got off of Amazon for $85. It's expensive, but it includes all the parts, bolts, springs, and it comes pre-assembled, which is great. And then you just slide it on there, you install your two bolts. I have fought these things for years. And this little guy here I bought off Amazon is really pretty awesome. And there you go, springs attached, pops up. Real simple way to replace it.